Welcome to Webidex. Previously on Webidex, we talked about the exact method of choosing the right topic to make a successful website. And this is the third video of the video series, How to Create a Successful Website. Choosing a right topic only is not enough to make your website succeed. Your content also matters, and it has to be original content. So, how to write original content? Let's talk about it in today's video. There are many people who create websites and write content for various purposes like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing. Therefore, writing successful original content is very important for all of them. So this is going to be an idea about that. What is this original content? We think we can interpret original content in different ways, in a unique way. But many people who create websites for different purposes can clearly call this a problem because the words original content or unique content are often heard. For those who are a little tired of the stereotyped AdSense, this might be a bit of a hassle. Writing the content yourself for original content or hiring a writer. Which one is better? It depends on different factors than whether you write it yourself or hire someone else. No matter who writes it, it may not be difficult to make it unique content. But it is not easy to make original content. Maybe these two words are the same to you. But to us, there is a clear difference between these two. As per AdSense also, these two can be identified as two different facts. Your site needs to have unique and original content, and it should attract genuine user interest. This is what we don't understand most of the time. Many people try to make their articles 100% plagiarism. Plagiarism 100% is considered by many to be the main factor in measuring the quality of an article. That may sound important, but what plagiarism tool are we going to trust? Who can say it is 100% correct? Lots of questions, right? One thing you have to believe is that even if plagiarism is 100% done and the SEO plugin is made green, it will not be original content, which means even if you achieve these two facts will not get AdSense approval or Google rank for your website. We don't have to mention it, you may have had this experience before. Making plagiarism 100% and writing unique content is not that difficult if you can handle the language well. But writing original content is not so easy. We will explain. Just think you need to write an article about iPhone 7 Plus phone. Many articles have been written about this in the world. Now how do we write an original article about something like this? Yes, it is not an easy task of writing about the same thing. If we just let 5 people write the topic iPhone 7 Plus, no matter how many words in the article, the last thing that can be written is the same thing, such as this is a good phone, there is a good camera like this, there are features like this, for a price like this can be purchased from places like, everyone can write a few things like these. Some people can write that there are such shortcomings in this phone. It's not difficult to make this a unique article, even if you change it upside down, change the middle value and write it with a little thought. But everyone writes the same things because they write things that already exist on the internet. Do you think that anyone writes articles with as much dedication as separate research on the iPhone? No. No one does it. Will something like this become original content as soon as it is assembled and written? That is the problem. All 5 of the people now write almost the same content. Simply put, the summary of all 5 articles is at least 95% similar. This is a direct disadvantage for us. Because even though you wrote this article or it was written by someone else, the content is the same. In this case, the main factor that determines whether this article is original content or not is the amount of experience you have with this topic. That becomes a very crucial factor here. Just think you have a good experience with iPhone 7 Plus. Then you write this article using your experience. Will something like this become original content as soon as it is assembled and written? That is the problem. All 5 of the people now write almost the same content. Simply put, the summary of all 5 articles is at least 95% similar. This is a direct disadvantage for us. Because even though you wrote this article or it was written by someone else, the content is the same. In this case, the main factor that determines whether this article is original content or not is the amount of experience you have with this topic. That becomes a very crucial factor here. Just think you have a good experience with iPhone 7 Plus. Then you write this article using your experience. You can check below the quality of photographs captured from a friend's Samsung phone and my iPhone 7. So you can clearly understand the difference. So that the iPhone 7 is at a very good level when talking about the camera. Yes, just an example. You can write this better than this. Now you have an idea, when we share an experience it becomes original and unique content. This is just a small example, you can do this through methods like this. We often do keyword research and find keywords mostly that you or your article writer does not know. Because it was a good keyword so you may have chosen it. Then, as always, you have to find the content of the article by looking at several websites or videos that are ranked for that keyword. After doing so, we often have to write an article with the same content written differently. The content is similar but the whole idea may have been written in your own way. But I do not think it's as successful as writing an experience or any other idea. Because then something like a rewrite happens. The important thing you need to understand is that finding keywords on a topic with your own experience is always an easy way for you to succeed. As Google says, writing unique and original content makes it easy to approve your AdSense account. It also makes it easier to rank in the search engine. So website makers should pay some attention to this. Because if you look at the articles written by the most successful websites or bloggers in the world, they are writing about their personal experiences, or what they have researched and visited. So I believe this is something you should clearly think about. In today's video, we talked about how to write original content to create a successful website, and we think you learned key facts that we needed to share with you. So in the next video, we will talk about the 7 main possible causes of website failure. Comment below if you have queries, and we will try our best to reply to them all. That's all for today, pals. Please give a thumbs up if you really learned something. Also, if you are new to Webidex, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well, so you won't miss our upcoming videos. So before we leave, keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.